All right, e-learning crew, what's up? I hope you're having a wonderful day. So many of you have asked me about supplies. Some of your parents have, you have, maybe you both have, whatever it is. So I want to go and just give you guys a little video on how to find that information. Okay, because if I just give it to you, it's kind of this idea that if I hand you a fish, you eat once. If I teach you how to fish, you can eat the rest of your life. All right, so I'm going to just show you how to find this kind of information in the course. So what you're going to do is you're going to come into Canvas here and you're going to take a look. It says vote. See this right here? It says vote. And it says under that it says course info. You're going to click on course info. Now what's going to happen here? It's going to bring up another page. It's going to have course info in it. Now, the course info is more than just a supply list. There's actually quite a few things in here. Lots of course information. All right, now we're going to talk about these more next week. But just kind of if you want to go and read through them so you kind of have a greater idea of what's going on and some of just how things go in the class, I'd really encourage you to do that. So check those out. But for today's video, we're taking a look at what's called needed supplies right here. See it big bold, and then these 4 links right here. Okay, now guys, as we go through these links, I don't care where you get them from. I happen to link to the Walmart ones because I've found that they tend to be sort of the cheapest as far as cost goes. But again, if you're going to Target to get your supplies, or Dollar Tree, Dollar General, CVS, Publix, doesn't matter. All right, it's not a thing. There's one supply in particular that I'm a little fussy about, if you will, on that, and I'll explain that here in just a minute. But let's take a look at this first one here. It says 1-inch binder. It's a 1-inch binder. Okay, now the one that's going to pull up here is a white 1-inch binder. I don't care if it's black or blue or green or chartreuse or red or turquoise. Guys, I don't care. It's your binder. Okay, this isn't for me really. This is for you because this is where you're going to put in. There's going to be notes. There's going to be different worksheets. All kinds of things are going to go in this binder throughout the semester. Now again, I've linked it here to the Walmart one, but it doesn't matter, guys, as long as it's at least a 1-inch binder. Really, if they don't have a 1-inch binder, like a 1.5, really anything bigger than that's really kind of wasting your money on it, to be honest. But 1.5 inch binder is really what you're going to need. Okay. Now the next thing you see here is 25 sheet protectors. Now a lot of you have used these in other classes, so you got to know what they are. But again, I want to go and link to and eliminate as much confusion as possible. Okay, so what you'll see here is these sheet protectors, and you'll notice here they have the little holes that are kind of in the side there. That's so they can go into the 1-inch binder. Okay, you're going to put different notes and different things. You're going to slide them in there. Maybe we have a table of contents, all kinds of good stuff there for you. All right, I'm going to kind of help you out. This is going to help to organize your notes and information that you're going to get throughout the semester. Okay, so that when it comes time to the end of the semester and tests and quizzes and all the things you have, you're going to have all that stuff right there. It's going to be a good organized place for you. Again, this is really for you. This isn't for me. I'm not the kind of person that's going to go in and you know, try to have you check and all this. And even if you were in class here with me at the school, I don't do per se binder checks. Okay, now we're going to have some ways to throughout the semester where I'm going to kind of check to see if you have all your stuff. Okay, so don't think that it's not going to be a part of it, but it is going to be a part, and this is what you're going to need. Now, I told you that there was one item that I'm a little particular on, and that is right here. You'll see it says Crayola colored pencils. All right, now I know a lot of you are like, what difference does it make? Okay, now I'm asking for Crayola. If you are a really arts kind of person and you have other colored pencils that you want to have available and use in this class, that's fine with me. I'm not particular in that, as long as they are of sort of the better quality, which is really why I suggest Crayola. Right now, in particular, like Walmart, they're like $1 a pack. Okay, so they're normally like $2.50, $3 a pack for the 12 pack. These also come, check this out, they're sharpened. So you can be ready first day of class with sharpened colored pencils. All right, now again, guys, if you have other colored pencils that maybe you're an arts person and you draw a lot and you doodle a lot and you've got a nice colored pencil set and you want to use them for class, that is totally up to you. Okay. But I'm going to suggest you might want to save those for your particular drawing or maybe your art class or whatever, and just, maybe get a chance to go spend $1 or whatever for the Crayola ones. Okay. But again, that's totally up to you. All right. And then we have one last thing here on the list, and that is for the handheld pencil sharpeners. Now, for you guys, you're my e-learning group. So it's really not as big of a deal right now, but it will be. Okay, if you're going to be back with us in the sort of second semester, the spring semester, there's a chance. So go ahead, get these things while they're cheap. They're on special pricing or they got special deals on them. So go ahead, get a few of them. They're like 50 cents. I think it's 47 you see here. Look, get some of them because let's say you do come back in January, that second semester, and let's say you're in my class as a brick and mortar, here at the school. You're going to have this. It's a part of the policies and procedures I have in place, not just for COVID, but for other reasons. So go ahead, take advantage of the cheaper pricing now. Because if you do wait, I can promise you they're going to be a little more. They're not going to be terribly expensive, but they're going to be like $2, $3, $4 a piece as opposed to like 50 cents. So go ahead, take advantage of it now. Get them now while you can. All right. So, guys, that is your supplies list for U.S. history. Okay. So there's all kinds of information you can find in here. And next week, we're going to talk about even more things. You're going to see even later on today, you're going to be able to watch the procedures video. Again, we're going to go over all this. You'll be able to ask me questions. If you haven't reached out to me, on Remind yet or Canvas or whatever, and you have a question, there's no time like the present, guys. Get it done. Okay, just keep in mind if you text me or send me a message outside of school hours, it's gonna be a little while. But I'm telling you, I'll get back to you. So if you guys have any questions about any of these supplies, your parents have questions, you guys just reach out to me and I will get back to you as soon as I can. All right, so listen, I hope you guys have a wonderful, amazing rest of your day. You're my e-learning crew. I'm super excited about our e-learning class. I'm super excited about what we're going to be taking a look at and studying. I think you guys are going to have a great time on my class. I hope you do. And again, seek me out, ask some questions, subscribe to the YouTube channel that you're watching this on, okay? So you'll get notifications when new videos pop up. All right, have a good day, guys.